Welcome back, students. Today we can discuss polynomials of 9th standard in this algebraic identities. So, students, in previous class we can discuss the important four identities. Let's we can move on to the identity 5. That means it's algebraic identity number 5. What it is? It is x plus y plus z whole square. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So students, if you want to prove, that means here we know that x plus y whole square, we know that x plus y whole square are a plus b whole square, but in this case we can extend it the third term, that is x plus y plus z whole square. So its expanded form is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. That means here how we can observe three square terms and three product terms. So x plus y plus z square, the speciality of this expression is the expanded form will be give three square terms, that means x square plus y square plus z square, and three product term 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So we can written this is in the cyclic form. It is in the cyclic form. Somewhere in higher classes we use as sigma xy. We use this term as sigma xy. Sigma means it is a cyclic term. So the left hand side we called as expression, and right hand side we called as what we called expanded term of the given expression. So this is your fourth identity. So we can solve some problem using this identity. For example, write 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square in expanded form. So this expression is look like x plus y plus z whole square. We know that x plus y plus z square. So consider 3a, x is equal to 3a, y is equal to 4b, and z is equal to 5c. Then expanded this 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square is equal to x square 3a square, y square is 4b square, and z square is 5c square. So 2xy is nothing but 2 into 3a into 4b, and 2yz 4b into 2 into 4b into 5c, and 2zx is 2 into 5c into 3a. Simplify this. 3a square is nothing but 3 3 is a 9, a into a square, so 9a square. 4b square, 4 square means it is 16, for 4 the 16, and b into b is b square. Like that 5c square is 25c square. Here 3a into 4b, 3 4s are 12 ab, 12ab into 2 24ab. Like that 5 4s are 20 BC, 20 BC into 2 40 BC. Like that 5 into 3 15, 15 CA, 15 CA into 2 it is 30 CAR AC. So this is the expanded form of given problem 3A plus 4B plus 5C whole square. Like that we can substitute the problem and using the identities. Next we move on to the another one example. Expand 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Observe this, in this problem there are no plus, there are no plus terms. So we can arrange by plus term, like 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square is equal to 4a plus minus 2b. Minus 2b is it's a single term, we consider it's a single term, plus 3c whole square. 4a plus of minus 2b plus of minus 3c whole square. Now it is in the form of x square y square, sorry, x plus y plus z whole square. Here x is equal to 4a, y is equal to minus 2b, and z is equal to minus 3c. We know that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus xy 2xy plus 2yz plus 2za. So we can expand it this 4a square plus minus 2b whole square plus minus 3c whole square plus 2 into xy, that is 4a into minus 2b plus 2 into yz, that is 2 into 2b minus 3c plus 2 into za minus 3c into 4a. Simplify this. 4a square is 16a square minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 b into b square. So it happen 4b square plus as it is minus into minus plus 3 square is 9, c into c is c square. So it happen plus 9c whole square minus 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 4 2s are 8, the sign is minus a into b. So minus 8 2s are minus 16ab, like that. Minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6 b into c. 6 bc into 2 is 12 bc. So like that, when we are simplify this, it happen minus 24 ac. This is the expanded form. Next one is, next example, factorize 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. In this problem, we can expand it, we want to write expanded term, but in this case they only given a expanded term. We want to conclude that given identity. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. So we can conclude 4x square is nothing but 2x square. Is it right? You expand this, 2 2s are 4, x into x. Next, y square we can write minus y square minus y whole square. When you are expanded this, it happen minus into minus plus y into y square. So we write as y square minus y whole square plus z square as it is plus 2x plus 2 into 2x. We already concluded 3 terms. This is x, this is y, this is z. Then we know that 2 into 2x into minus y. Next, 2 into minus y into minus z plus 2 into 2x into z. So this is in the form of 2x plus of minus y plus z square or 2x minus of y plus z whole square. So it is nothing but 2x minus y plus z whole square, that is equal to 2x minus y plus z, 2x minus y plus z. All right. Next, so we have deal with identities involving the second degree. See, these are all second degree identities. Now let us we can compute to third degree or cubic degree identities, that is x plus y whole cube. So x plus y whole cube we can written as x plus y into x plus y whole square. So write x plus y whole square as it is. We know that x plus y whole square, that nothing but a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2xy x square plus 2xy plus y square. Multiply this with x square plus 2x